Ila, and I'm from Phoenix, originally from Belarus. And my natural state always to help everybody, take care everybody. And I never really have time for myself to explore who I am. And these years, I'll just keep open for myself, new myself, kind of. And in this workshop, give me opportunity to see my power and what I can do in this world. How can I help not only myself and everybody around? And I really, really appreciate those workshops. It's opened up my potential, and I know what to do next. Thank you, Julie.